Hello, my friends. Well, I have a great little short wig for you today called Perfect Finish, and it's from the Wig Company and their Fashion Club collection. And she is a great natural looking color. She's styled, curling, already has the style in there. It's synthetic, and so it's always going to hold this shape and these curls. Fantastic way to go with a wig, especially a short wig. And this, you can see, it has the lace front from ear tab to ear tab, the velvet, the wefting, and the extended velvet nape. So a comfortable cap. It does have permatease in it, but you need that permatease to get that lift. So let's try it on. Now, most wigs are not out of the box, ready to go, right? So I'm going to pull down, I'm going to pull the nape down so we can get this, oh nice, get that down. And so when you first put it on, you think, oh no, but don't think that way because it's been sitting in a container coming from overseas probably, and no telling what kind of weather, how long it took to get to where you are and then to get in the mail to your mailbox. So sometimes they just need some fluffing. So look at this great, see this lace? Oh my goodness, see that lace front line? That is really nice. That's good. Okay, so I just want to, I'm just going to use, let's just use our fingers today. This is me first putting it on. You with me? Seeing it for the first time. And so just like that, you're going to be able to put your fingers through it, get some style. You know, this reminds me of the woman going into the boardroom, maybe to luncheon and coffee with their friends. This is just a great, maybe it's date night with your husband, but this is fabulous. Press the sides and it has the metal stays that pushes it to your head and really gives it a secure fit. So look at this. This is very chic. Now you could use some wig wax and get some different looks in it, but that's how, this is a good one. This is a good one. So ladies, if you're new to wigs, you have gray hair like me, and you just want to have a more youthful appearance, you want your youth looking color back, this is a great wig. It comes in different colors. This one's the 18/22. It's from the Wig Company, and you just can't go wrong with this. This is very classic, very chic, and she isn't shiny or fake looking. And again, look at that hairline. That's gorgeous. Let's take a look at the back. I haven't seen it, so you tell me how it looks. I'm going to just do some fingers through it, get those curls waking up. And let's take a look at the side. And I'll slowly go to the back. This is cute. This is a really nice, looks like you spent hours getting your hair, using your curling iron and getting all this curl in it. But just like that, a few minutes and you're out the door. So this is called Perfect Finish, and it is a great little wig for a perfect finish for your look to run out the door looking fabulous. So I will see you again, my friends, in the next video doing